What are you doing here?
What kind of stupid question is that? Eh?
You know, if one could sell the shamelessness he possesses, you would be a billionaire by now. Because you take the cake. In fact, the two of you. How can a reasonable man invite another woman into someone else's house over and over again? Who does that? Where do you think you're going to? Don't you have any shame?
Babe!
Babe! Babe! Aren't you shameless?
Baby!
Hey. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You okay? Oh. Good to see you.
Same here.
You're just in time. Lunch is almost ready.
Oh, I can perceive the aroma.
I made your favorite.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
Tife, take your girlfriend out of my house. You can have your silly lunch somewhere else but this house.
Okay. My girlfriend is not complaining. Yes. And this is not like a dinner date or something. She asked me to make meals for her, that she wanted to come here and eat, try my home-cooked meals. So I said, okay, no problem. Let's make it a date. So here she is.
Just because you know I love home-cooked meals.
Again, I do not care. Just take your girlfriend and leave my house. No one is having any silly lunch here.
Bimbo, please, why are you sounding like a bitter ex?
You wish! I do not have an ex. Once I am done with you, you are dead to me. All I'm saying is that if you want to have your little restaurant time with your girlfriend, why not take it to somewhere else but this house? This here screams stupidity. Who does this rubbish?
Look, for the second time, this is not a date, okay? She requested that she wanted to eat home-cooked meals, and I went ahead to do so. But I don't expect you to understand since you don't know how to cook.
And I do not care!
Mommy. Bimbo.
Yes.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
Look at you.
I missed you.
How are you? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. All right.
Bimbo.
Yes, Dad.
This is you.
This is me.
Oh, you are welcome. You are welcome.
You, good to see you.
You remind me so much about your mother.
Daddy, you say this all the time.
Yes, Ke, because you remind me of her. Look at how you just look like her at her age. Bimbo.
Yes, Daddy.
This is you. A master's degree holder at 24.
Yes, Dad.
Glory be to God.
Sir, I need to rush to the mechanic village. I need to fix something in the car.
Please do. And you can go anywhere. Let me have some time with my daughter. Tell me how the graduation ceremony went since I couldn't make it.
Everything went well. It's just that I missed you.
I know. Mabinu, my daughter, Mabinu. You see, I had to attend to some urgent and important business here.
Okay.
And I'm glad that you are back, so that you can take over. Yes. As the latest master's degree holder from one of the best universities in the world, I am sure you will deliver.
And I cannot wait to prove you right.
I trust you.
It's so good to be back. Let me go freshen up. And then I'll come back and give you every gist. Okay?
Bottom line, your favorite dishes have all been prepared.
Oh, I cannot wait.
Hey, lost okay. Go and freshen up. And come.
Me, see you go.
I
need help.
Hey.
Where is she?
Bimbo.
I need help with the boxes.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Hey.
I'll be right back.
I am waiting.
Wow. It's good to be home.
Bolaji. Where is she? Must I call you more than once? Please come and take these boxes upstairs. I hope everything is settled. Hey, this is wonderful. Let me inform Chief Williams.
Hello, love. Yes, I just got it now. I cannot wait to see you too, babe. It's a pity you're out of town. I know. Just hurry up and come back. Yes, I'll be here waiting for you. I miss you too, baby. Okay. I love you too. Bye. Oh, wow. Home sweet home. Daddy, I have missed our food.
I know. This is the tip of the iceberg. Don't worry. From tomorrow, I will tell Bolaji no more rice. It is either pounded yam or amala.
That is it.
So that we can bring you back home more and more. That is the bottom line, no?
Thank you, Daddy.
So the offer letter has been delivered. It's in my study upstairs.
So we are needed to commence ASAP.
ASAP? What is that?
As soon as possible.
Okay. As soon as possible.
Okay. Well, if we are sure of the APG and timely payments, then we can go ahead and start sourcing for material. Once the money drops, we start making payments and start shipping them over.
Me? My proactive daughter. You can go ahead.
Okay. I have some contacts, but we'll check in with yours and your partners as well.
All right. You know what? This project will be entirely handled by you. Yes, I can trust your ability to deliver. Besides, you have worked with me these many years, so I am satisfied with the knowledge you have acquired all around. Now that is the
Daddy.
bottom line.
You mean you want me to handle everything? I mean, I could, but what about your partner? And then again, we have to consider the time frame.
You will have a capable hand to work with.
Who is that?
But whatever.
What? That arrogant son of Chief Williams.
Abimbola, I don't know what it is with this young, handsome, well-mannered young man. I don't know what you have against him. And I like him very much. Oh. I like him. And I was even hoping that both of you will fall in love.
Daddy, never.
You won't even allow me to finish. Well, an old man will only advise. Your generation, we are too stubborn. Even when we advise, and that is the bottom line. You will not listen.
Bolwatife,
Dad.
I am very, very happy that you are back and you've jumped into work immediately. I am happy for that. But there's one thing I want to tell you. I want to make you understand that you are taking over very soon.
Dad, you mean I'm taking over the company entirely?
Exactly. You see, I've been working for over 2 years since you are away in the US. So I need to rest. I want to retire so that me and your mom can go for vacation. So I want you to handle the business. I trust you and I believe that you can do it. So please try and make me proud as my son that you are. And you will be working with Bimbo.
Bimbo? You mean Mr. Martin's daughter?
Exactly.
Dad, I thought I'll be working with Mr. Martins directly. His daughter is very stubborn.
Come off that, boy. Listen to me. I know her very well. And I know you too as my son. You are very strong and smart. Likewise she. So I want both of you to work together. At least you can be able to execute the project. So I want you to work with her.
Well, okay, Dad, if those are your wishes, then I will. But I just hope we don't end up killing ourselves at the end of the day.
Don't say that. I want that project to be executed perfectly. So working with her will make it go. Do you get me?
All right, Dad.
Do your best to make me proud. I trust you, son. So.
I hope everything is in order. Yes, sir. I don't want to hear any stories.
Sir, I'm about to set the dining.
Please, Shekia. I don't want everything must be done. Look, let me tell you. I want the food to be steaming hot immediately they get here.
Okay, yes.
Who are we having over, Dad?
My business partner and yours.
What? That guy is coming over here.
If for nothing else. If for nothing else, I am sure that the project will finish in record time since both of you want to do, what is it, Tom and Jerry. You cannot stand each other. No problem. The bottom line is that the project should finish in good time.
Okay, Dad. Well, I came to tell you that I spoke with some of the suppliers in China.
Oh, really?
Yes. I wanted to show you.
Okay.
So, these are
Okay.
things.
I've heard this name several times.
Yes, they're very reliable.
Yes.
Expensive but reliable.
Well.
Okay. wanted to also show you something else.
Okay. Ah, my friend is here. My friend is here. Here comes my great friend. Ah! Chief the chief. Ah, you are looking very wonderful.
You are looking good, my friend.
Welcome. How was your journey?
We thank God.
I hope it went well. You are welcome.
Yes.
You are welcome. Boluwatife. Hey. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Báwo ni?
Very well, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Olongbo, if I see him on the road, I would not even recognize him. Thank God for growth. You are welcome. This is wonderful, oh. Please sit down.
And here she is. Business mogul herself.
Casa, sir.
Báwo ni, my daughter? Bimbo, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Come and meet your business partner.
Yeah. Go and meet your business partner. That is the bottom line.
Hello.
Please, I think the dining is set. I think we should go and eat. Wait. Where is your luggage?
They're outside.
Bolaji. Sir. 1B. Go and get his things from the car.
Okay, sir.
Daddy, I don't understand what's going on.
What don't you understand? You people have a project to complete in the next 1 month. Boluwatife lives in Abuja. And you want him to fly from Abuja to Lagos every day for planning, meetings and executions? Who does that?
No, but what happened to hotels?
Which hotel? Bimbo. The family of Martins Adepoju is a hospitable one. And Tifa is family. Is it not? His family. You don't expect him to go and pay for one cheap hotel when we have cozier rooms here unoccupied. Hey, let's go and eat, Ojare. Let's go. The table is set. Welcome, my friend. Please come. Let's go. I am so happy to see you. My friend has to rest.
Boluwatife,
Sir.
I hope you will handle everything very well like my son that you are. Try and do your best, I believe you will make me proud. Make sure you execute the project very well and do take care of yourself.
I will, Dad. Dad, you have nothing to worry about. I'll make sure that the project is a successful one. And you have your vacation with Mom, because I know you both need it.
I know you will understand, son. I always count on you. So please, try and make sure you handle this project well. Make sure it's executed very well, okay?
No problem.
I'll be leaving now. So you take care of yourself.
I will, Dad.
I trust you. Come and see me off. Let me go.
All right, Dad.
Take care of yourself. Thank you.
Will. And please send my regards to Mom.
I will do that.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. It's noon, not morning. You know what? For someone who has something to prove, you seem to be doing worse than I expected.
And you are as impossible as ever.
What, so you're leaving?
Of course I am.
Really? So who's going to do all this work alone?
Keep annoying me.
Tifa?
Chief, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You have already started work.
Yes, sir.
That is very good. Where is Bimbo? I thought I heard voices.
Yes, she went back upstairs. She went to bed.
Went back upstairs to bed. What is that even supposed to mean? That is unusual.
Okay, that will be all for now. Thank you for your time. Daddy, that guy is impossible to work with. How on earth am I supposed to work with him?
Abimbola, I have told you that you have to learn how to work with anybody professionally. Eh? Everybody must not like you, and you must not like everybody to succeed in this business.
But he's so rude.
He says the same thing about you. And that is where I have a problem. Because I know both of you to be well-mannered and well-brought-up children.
Daddy, you do not know that guy.
Uh,
He pretends before you, of course.
I know him more than you do. Yes. After all, you seldom played with him growing up whenever they came around.
That's because he's so rude.
Abimbola, you said it yourself that to abate any unnecessary delays, we have to start early. Is that not what you said? So you have to get used to the situation and work with your partner so that we can get this project off the ground. Because that is the bottom line. Sean Bummy, have you heard?
Motibosa.
Better. Oh, sure.
Finally, Her Royal Majesty has decided to grace us with her presence.
Tife, for the sake of this project, please behave.
I should behave. Please, I am always a professional.
Can you keep quiet?
Do you have to be rude? Does every single thing irritate you?
Yes. Anyone hearing you bickering would be irritated.
When you're done, can we please get back to work?
Here.
What is this?
The list of companies to get materials needed. As you can see, I wasn't having my beauty sleep after all. I was busy doing what needed to be done. It's called being proactive. It leads to a more productive work, something you should learn. Hey, love.
Hi, my beautiful princess. How was your day?
My day was exhausting. I worked.
You don't sound happy about today work.
It's nothing, I just overworked.
I have told you to stop stressing yourself. I don't like when you overwhelmed yourself at the end of the day. Baby is not healthier. Just listen to your body. When it's tired, just rest, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
It's not funny, babe.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will adhere to your advice. How was your day?
Good. I'm almost done here. I could soon be back, probably by weekend.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So what could you want us to do by weekend? Let's plan ahead. Personally, I could like us to go outdoor. If you want to restaurants or something else, just let me know, okay? Babe? Bimbo. Bimbo. Babe.
Good morning to you too. And my night was good too.
Who cares?
Who cares? Well, tell me, why are you cooking when there's a housekeeper in the house?
So if there is a housekeeper in the house, no one should cook.
You're missing the point. I mean, why are you wasting food when you know that no one is going to eat it? Because we both know that you can't boil hot water.
Well, obviously you can see I am not cooking for you. So what's your business?
Well, I'm just trying to say that why waste food when there's so many people hungry out there, you know? No? Okay.
What do I do? did it. What? Why is it so salty?
Hello? Hey, baby. Yeah, I miss you too. And I can't wait to see you too. You know, you were one of you're one of the reasons why I left my state and decided to take this job. Okay. Look, this long distance thing is stressing me out. Okay, so tell me, when am I gonna see your pretty face? This weekend? Baby, no, that's too far. Yeah, but you said you're already going out now. You can pass by. Okay? So I'll see you soon? Alright, babe. I love you. Bye. What are you working on?
I found more suppliers. And shipping will be happening soon.
Do you need any help?
I need water. Excuse me.
You want me to take over before you get back? It's a really good draft, by the way. I mean, I couldn't have done any better myself.
Thank you. So, what are you working on?
Well, I'm just mainly dealing with shipments and how many metric tons are going to be coming in by the end of the month. That's a lot of figures. So I might be needing your help later with that, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Crazy attraction, insane obsession.
Yeah, look at this.
Mm-hmm.
We need to contact them as soon as possible.
Okay, just put all these contacts in a file and I'll attend to them individually.
Okay.
I think there's someone at the door.
Hi, babe.
Hey! I missed you too. Wow, look at that. I love the dress. All this for me?
Why do you smell so nice?
Hi,
Please.
Bimbo.
Oh, hi, Bimbo. Aren't you shameless at all?
I beg your pardon.
Don't you have a little bit of shame? How dare you come to my house? And you came to see him?
It's over 3 years. 3 good years. Get over it.
Oh, I have. All I'm saying is that you both should have some shame and take your silly relationship anywhere but my house.
What do you want? Are you not with Jeff, his friend? Why is no one making feels about it? They're still best of friends. But what did you do? You threw away our 15 years of friendship. 15 good years. For nothing.
I do not care what you think. Please leave my house.
Okay, don't push me.
Look. I'm here now. And she's my guest. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to get used to seeing her.
What?
Look, I'm sorry about this. Sorry, okay?
I missed you.
I missed you too. Please, can you sit down?
Thank you. So tell me. What's up?
I'm good.
Did you miss me?
Of course I missed you.
Did you make any food?
Are you hungry? You know, if you give me that puppy face, I'll give you anything you want.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too, baby. So, let me get you something to drink.
No,
and then...
it's fine. You know, I told you I'm going somewhere. I have an appointment.
So you just came to see me?
Say hi.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
Love you.
Love you too, baby.
Okay. Bye for now.
All right, thanks for coming, okay? And please tell me you're coming this weekend.
Sure.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good day.
Asha.
Good afternoon, sir.
Chief.
Boluwatife.
Chief, good afternoon.
Boluwatife. Báwo ni?
Very well, sir.
Uh,
Let me see her off.
It's all right. Ẹ kúṣẹ́. Abímbọ́lá mi ọ̀wọ́.
Welcome, Daddy.
Ọmọ dáadáa. Báwo ni? I hope all is well. Are you having any challenges?
All is well.
All is well.
Yes.
Bottom line, all is well. I will take it as you have said it. Okay, I will be upstairs.
So, where were we?
You know, if you really do not want to do this job, you can go tell our folks. You cannot be lazing about.
Lazing about? Look, I spent 4 hours every day on this job before you even leave your bedroom or come downstairs. I barely spent a moment with my girlfriend and you're already blazing hot fire on me.
Get your acts together. Period.
Crazy attraction, insane obsession, Two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Could this be love or hate?
I cannot wait to see you too, Jeff. Yeah, of course. I know I am busy, but I will always make out time for you. You know it's true. Okay. See you tomorrow. Of course. All right, love. See you tomorrow. Love you. Mwah. Bye.
Crazy attraction, insane obsession. Two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Could this be love or hate? Crazy attraction, insane obsession. Two beautiful hearts.
Hey. Hey.
My G.
Nah, bro.
Long time, man.
How you doing?
Good.
It's you. You hardly come to Lagos. Once you're back from overseas, you go to Abuja back and stay.
But bro, man, come on, you don't call me too now.
You left the country to go and study. So,
I know, but you can receive calls anywhere, so that's not an excuse. I'm sure it was something else.
no. Wait. Bimbo. No, man. A woman can't come between me and you. That's impossible. And besides, I asked you about it so many times. You said you guys are done.
Yeah, but that's not the point. I just noticed that ever since you guys have been dating, things have been a bit off.
Not from my end. I asked you countless times about it. And I'm just sure it's all over your head. You need to snap out of it.
No big deal, man. You look sharp, man. Are you going out?
Thank you. I have a date with Bimbo.
Oh.
Where is she? Oh. She's here. Oh. My queen. Oh. It's good to see you too. I've missed you so much.
You too.
How you doing?
Good.
You look so gorgeous. I can't believe you're in my hands right now.
Good to see you.
You too. Can we go now?
Sure, we have to go.
All right, bro.
All right, my G. Cheers.
Baby, I still do not think you and Tifa should be close. I am not comfortable with it.
I honestly kept away from him since you advised me to.
Well, it doesn't look like it. He literally threw it at my face the other day. That I should check myself because I can't stand my former best friend that he's dating, but you and him are still friends.
Is he initiating you? Have you not moved on?
Of course I've moved on. Baby, if you respect what we have, then I want this closeness or whatever it is to end.
I accept. I'm pretty sure he's just angry because I spaced him. He was even complaining about it the other day.
I'll make it more obvious.
I will. Your wish is my command, okay? Let's don't allow this to destroy our date, okay?
Okay.
Can we be going now?
Sure.
Camila, you crack me up. I mean, you should know by now that I'm a one-woman man. You know, if I'm for you, then I'm for you alone. But tell me, what have I done to make you suspicious? Or for you to doubt me?
Not really, but...
So why all of a sudden you're asking me these questions?
Okay, fine, I'll say it. It's Bimbo.
What about Bimbo?
You're always with her now, and...
Look, I'm always with her because of work. We're working together and that's all.
It's just that you know what they say about Okafor's law.
Okafor's law, does that even work? Look, I actually thought this was something else. I thought you knew me by now.
Not like I don't trust you, I do. But you know what I'm saying.
Not that you don't trust me, but what?
You're a handsome guy, every lady wants to be with you. I don't trust that girl, you know. And you are staying in the same roof with her. Come on.
Look, everything you've said is still the same thing. It still means that you don't trust me.
I do. What about her?
What? What about her? Look, you don't know your former bestie like you actually think you do. She's the type of person that would rather chew a rock than look my way after we've broken up. She would never do that. Even trying to get her to work on this project with me is proving to be difficult, so you have nothing to worry about.
Baby, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Babe,
Yeah?
why do you keep declining whenever I send you stay over for the night? I don't really understand you. You were doing this before you left for your masters. And I thought because we just started dating by then. But why are you doing this to me? After 3 good years, babe.
You know I have a lot of work to do. And I have deadlines. Besides, I need to prove to my father that his company is in good hands.
I understand, but I will drop you off before 7 a.m. I don't know why you keep doing this to me. It's not fair. Come on.
Jeff, we need to take things slow. If we're going to get married, we have the rest of our lives to spend every night together if we deem fit.
I understand.
And I had a beautiful dinner today.
No good night kisses. Bimbo, say, I really do love you so much. Please don't break my heart.
I love you too. Baby, I spent 2 years overseas and I didn't break your heart. Why do you think I'll do that now? And, you know, you've been acting all insecure lately, if I may use that word. What's up?
I don't know. I'm just a little bit uncomfortable. You staying with your ex in the same house, working together. It doesn't sound right to me.
You think Tiffy and I will have something to do with each other? Now I see you do not rate me. I demand an apology right now.
It's fine. I'm sorry. But promise me you won't break my heart.
That promise is for the altar.
I heard you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Have a good night, okay?
Bye. Drive safe.
Exactly. Sounds better. My day was fine. How was yours? All right. Later then. you learning how to cook? Or you want me to teach you? Because you know nowadays nothing goes for nothing.
Don't flatter yourself.
You know culinary business is big business now. And I'm sure you know nothing goes for nothing. I mean, you can ask me nicely. I'll teach you. Because we all know you don't know how to cook.
Well, my man does not care. So your opinion doesn't count. We all know you reason like someone from the Stone Age. We all know you don't know how to cook.
Okay. So tell me then, what are you doing in the kitchen?
It's none of your business. I came to get a plate. What are you doing here?
What kind of stupid question is that? Eh?
You know, if one could sell the shamelessness he possesses, you would be a billionaire by now. Because you take the cake. In fact, the two of you. How can a reasonable man invite another woman into someone else's house over and over again? Who does that? Where do you think you're going to? Don't you have any shame?
Babe!
Babe! Babe! Aren't you shameless?
Baby!
Hey. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You okay? Oh. Good to see you.
Same here.
You're just in time. Lunch is almost ready.
Oh, I can perceive the aroma.
I made your favorite.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
Tife, take your girlfriend out of my house. You can have your silly lunch somewhere else but this house.
Okay. My girlfriend is not complaining. Yes. And this is not like a dinner date or something. She asked me to make meals for her, that she wanted to come here and eat, try my home cooked meals. So I said, okay, no problem. Let's make it a date. So here she is.
Just because you know I love home-cooked meals.
Again, I do not care. Just take your girlfriend and leave my house. No one is having any silly lunch here.
Demba, please, why are you sounding like a bitter ex?
You wish! I do not have an ex. Once I am done with you, you are dead to me. All I'm saying is that if you want to have your little restaurant time with your girlfriend, why not take it to somewhere else but this house? This here screams stupidity. Who does this rubbish?
Look, for the second time, this is not a date, okay? She requested that she wanted to eat home-cooked meals, and I went ahead to do so. But I don't expect you to understand since you don't know how to cook.
And I do not care!
What is going on here? Eh? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Why can't you people allow a man to have his siesta in peace? Eh? Abimbola.
Dad.
Báwo?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Yeah, sorry. I have never seen both of you fight the way you do recently. What is the problem? Kí ló dé?
Dad, it was just a misunderstanding. All is well now.
I hope it is so. It had better be good. I am tired of this your endless battle. Eh? Fighting always like Tom and Jerry. Always at each other's throat. What is all this?
I'm so sorry, sir.
Oh,
I'm sorry, sir. You want to see?
Show me. Oh my god. I love it.
Yeah, so I'm making this.
Like I said, it will soon be ready.
Oh my God. Babe. All this for me.
Of course.
God. Babe. I love it. Wow. Come here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Come and sit down.
Mwah.
Come on.
Thank you.
Pull your
Okay. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. So, where am I starting from? Rice.
Oh, don't worry. Let me serve you.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. First bites. So nice.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Baby, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetie.
What would I have done without you? I love you so much.
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Wow. I think I overdid myself today.
Yeah. 100.
Trying to impress you.
Let me rate you. 9.5.
9.5? I thought you were going to give me like a 13 over 10.
So nice. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Okay. You try this. Come here.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So would you like anything else?
Shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, who's there?
Bimbo, we have to leave for the meeting.
Are you crazy? The meeting is in what? 2 hours. And it's a 30 minutes drive from here. Do you just enjoy bothering my life?
No, I just like to be prompt at my meetings. It shows professionalism. And also, I like to be proactive in case we might run into some kind of traffic. And we're talking about the DG of Permanent Secretary here. They should be waiting for us and not the other way around.
you been?
I've been okay. I wasn't expecting you today.
Yeah, I know. Why I missed you, so I just decided to come and sit by you. You can't walk. See, I just want to motivate you. Nothing else.
I know, but babe, I'm actually working.
Babe, I just want to be with you. See, I promise I'm not going to disturb you. I'll just sit. I just want to stay by you to motivate you.
Look, babe, it's fine. I mean, if you sit by me, I'll start getting drawn to you and I won't be able to focus at work.
Try to give you that effect.
Of course, you should know that.
Okay. I will just sit. I won't say a word.
Can you just go upstairs and wait for me? And then you can order anything you want. Don't worry, I'll pay for it. Okay?
Okay. 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
See you soon.
All right.
Waiting.
So, Daddy, how long are you gone for?
About a week. It's been a while I visited the village.
A whole week.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be left alone in this house without you.
Look at you. Both of you will make a good pair. Just concentrate on the job. I know you people are doing something wonderful. Learn how to work with people. Oh. I have been telling you this thing several times. Besides, I have been getting good reviews from the ministry. Oh. Yeah, even some ideas that my friend and I never thought about. Kudos to both of you. Abimbola.
Daddy.
You people are doing a wonderful job and that is the bottom line. So take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself too.
I will. I will call you every day.
I will call you every day too.
Come and see me off.
This night is the best night of my life. I can never forget the sound of the yes I got from you when I proposed.
Jeff, I need to go. I have a headache.
I'm pretty sure you drank too much. How I wish you should have accepted my offer to stay home with me. But anyway, we're almost there. When we're tired, you're not. We'll be sleeping together every night.
Jeff, this headache is getting worse. I have to go.
Yeah, so make sure when you get inside, drink some water and sleep, okay?
I will.
Let me walk you through.
Okay.
Come.
Hey,
What are you doing here? Did we?
oh no, you were tipsy, so I declined. You wanted me by your side, and I opted to just stay with you.
You declined. Meaning I wanted to. You must be mad. And who changed my clothes?
I did. I also helped you with that.
What? You are clearly a mad person. I will forever hate you.
Oh, come on. All I did was change your clothes. I didn't touch you.
Oh, please leave my room. I don't want to see you again, ever.
Look, but we have a meeting to attend. The deadline is in a few days.
I don't care. I am done. Done with this bullshit. Please leave.
Look, please, can we talk?
Go and talk to your girlfriend. I do not care about you. And whatever happened last night was the alcohol. That's it.
Crazy attraction, insane obsession, two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Could this be love or hate?
I said you should go away.
Bimbo, please. Whatever the case is, can we just finish this project first? We've come a long way, Bimbo. Please. If not for us, at least for our parents. Bimbo. Bimbo, please.
Tife, I said you should leave. You are invading my privacy.
Okay, fine. I'll leave. So does this mean I'm going to attend the meeting alone? I guess so.
Crazy attraction, insane obsession, two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Could this be love or hate?
Hey, Jeff.
Hey, my beautiful princess. The love of my life, my fiancé. It feels so right to say that. I would like to see you.
I was supposed to be at a meeting, but I couldn't go.
Why? Is everything alright?
Yeah, everything is fine. The other guy is representing me.
You mean Tife? Do you hate him so much you can't call his name?
Oh, I hate him so much.
Let me make you feel better, Bimbo. I was planning to be home all day. Please come over.
I am planning to take a shower. I want to be home all day.
Okay, I'll come over then.
Okay.
See you soon, love.
See you soon.
Hey, hello? Yeah, I'm home now. I just got back. Okay. I'll see you soon.
Hey, hello, my beautiful princess. How you doing? How's your day?
Fine. And yours?
I'm good. I just finishing seeing some clients, so I decided to pass by to see how my angel is doing.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Have you eaten?
Well, now that you are here, I will.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
So beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
Hi, Bimbo.
So, it's beautiful, right?
It is beautiful.
And it look more beautiful on you.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. You like it?
Of course I do, babe.
It looks so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Babe,
Hey.
so those two are dating? They're engaged?
Mm-hmm.
So you know already.
I kind of find out when I saw the ring on her finger yesterday night.
So hold on. So that's the guy she later settled for?
What do you mean? Jeff is a cool guy.
I'm just talking about his background and he doesn't fit in. You know.
Look, she's getting married to Jeff and not his background.
I see. So babe, how have you been?
You look amazing. Figured your old phone was acting up, so...
Oh my god! A new phone!
Yeah.
Thank you! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, babe. See, I have to start transferring things from here to this one, to the new one.
Yeah, so you have work to do.
Okay. Let me...
Babe, see the way him and his girlfriend are inside the room. That's how it's supposed to be. Besides, we are engaged.
But I am here with you.
It's not like that, babe. There's this intimacy between couples in the room. That's...
Babe, I am not ready for any intimacy.
It's not about sex. Come on. I just want to be close to you. I just want to hold you. I just want to kiss you.
So what do you want me to do now?
Let's just go to your room while I cuddle with you. At least kiss. No, let me just cuddle with you and you're close to my heart. Okay?
Okay. Let's go.
Perfect. Come. Yeah, let's go.
Babe. Baby.
Yeah?
I don't understand the new version of this phone. I'm trying to transfer. It's not working.
Let me help.
Thank you.
My love,
Yeah?
have you told your dad about the engagement?
Not yet. I'll tell him when he comes back.
But you guys speak on the phone all the time. And I'm pretty sure he's the closest friend. I thought he could be the first person to know.
You sent me these pictures anonymously from an old phone? Look, you better start speaking before I call the police.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Please don't chase me away for all time's sake, please.
Did you not hear what I said? I said start speaking before I call the police, or you speak to them directly.
Okay. Okay, I have added something to Bimbo's drink the other day. So I called a guy to take those pictures. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did all that because I love you. From the very first day she introduced us, I've always had a crush on you.
What sort of nonsense is this? You mean I dated you? And I did my best to try to love you right. And you did this to me and to a friend who held you like a sister.
I love you. I love you.
You better leave my house now before I commit murder.
Please.
Then leave my house.
Babe, see, we
Take your things. Leave my house now.
Babe, please.
Leave my house.
What's going on?
Baby, don't worry. It's none of our business. Let's just relax, okay?
Babe, please, I'm begging you.
Leave here. Leave my house.
This is serious.
Babe, whatever is going out there is their business, okay? Let's just mind our business, please.
No, but this is my house. It's my business. What if they hurt themselves? Come on, let's go. Let's go.
What have I done? You see, I told you, it's nothing obvious. They're just having some misunderstanding.
No, but it sounded serious. And I'm sure I heard my name.
Nobody called your name. You had something else. I don't know when this project will be over, so you just leave this house.
Well, I can't wait for him to leave before it even ends.
Come on, babe, let's go home. I just want to spoil my mood.
Hey. Can we talk?
I do not want to talk.
Please, it's really important.
What is it? You mean to tell me that when you told me you had evidence of me cheating, you meant it? Wow. These pictures they are convincing. Wow.
I just can't believe I don't know how I fell for that gold digger. I should have seen through this. And to think that I lost the only love that I've ever experienced because of this. I blame myself through and through. I should have known better.
on. You can't blame yourself, Tife. I mean, anyone would have believed this. These pictures are convincing. And as for dating the same girl, well, you didn't know she was the one who sent the pictures. I guess she wanted to finish up what she already started by convincing you that I was a cheat. And you would believe her, considering she knew me so well. I mean, we were like sisters.
Look, I hear what you're saying, but all of this don't matter anymore. The reason why we broke up does not matter, because the damage has already been done. And what really makes me upset is that it's already too late. You're already engaged to Jeff.
Tife.
Crazy attraction, insane obsession, two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Could this be love or hate? Crazy attraction, insane obsession, two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Oh, could this be love or hate? Beating against each other. Could this be love or hate? It may seem like gold, things might look like ashes, but just a little spark, love blossom again. It may seem like gold, things might look like ashes, but true love never, never, never dies. It may seem like gold, things might look like ashes, but just a little spark, love blossoms again. Oh, it may seem like gold, things might look like ashes, but true love never, never, never dies.
Babe, you're always moody these days.
Am I? I'm sorry.
You just keep apologizing but can't say what the problem is. Just let me know, maybe I'll help.
It's nothing.
Come here.
Jeff, I'll be right back.
And where are you going?
I'll be right back. I just need some air.
I'm actually going with you.
I won't be gone for too long.
Guy, I'm telling you. This girl has been misbehaving as even I'm irritating her ever since her ex break up with Amilumbe. We've come too far. I can't just let it go like that. I need the money. You know me now. Originally, you know I like girls with big nyash. You know my spec. I'm just trying to pretend to her. And you know I can't even stand her. Bro, I need this money. She can't even cook. I'm just pretending like everything is okay. Yeah. Yes. I'll be there. I'll be in the hospital soon. Alright, I'll be there. Just send me the address, yeah?
You don't have to pretend. I heard everything. And as you can see, the atmosphere in here has changed. You need to leave.
You need to leave. Let me settle with her.
The only thing that needs settling is this. Now get out of my house.
Babe.
I said get out. Babe. Jade.
To think I even tried to love him because I thought he really loved me. And yet, after all these years, I never succeeded. And it became more eminent since you came here. Every night, I go to sleep thinking of you. And never him. That was why I hated you more. At some point, I knew I was going to be hurting myself if I went ahead to marry him. That was why the day he proposed to me, I found myself drinking so I can forget my confusion.
Are you lying to me right now?
No.
Do you mean to tell me that we've both been nursing these feelings? Feelings that never died?
Yeah.
Whoever said true love never dies was telling the truth. Bimbo, I've never stopped loving you. I love you.
I love you too, Tife.
I'm serious. I'm serious. It's not real. Like original. I don't know.
I'm just playing on IG. Why is he dancing now?
Bolaji, what is it?
Auntie me. Fine chocolate auntie. Mixed with yellow purple brother. You give me fine children. I told you.
Wow.
You know you be carrying your face like this. No, I told you this fine brother mixed with you. Plenty fine children.
She admits that you're stubborn. She knows.
Really? And you're not. Bolaji, thank you. Thank you.
Thank God that finally at least both of you are together. See, don't worry. I've prepared amala atiwedu. Bakery is on the fire. I'm prepared. I prepared so many dishes. You will eat and eat and I want you to go fast.
Hey, Dad. I know it's going to come for you.
Appreciation. Odupe. Onibu ore baba bo pe mi. Onibu ore baba bo pe mi. Elumara mi sọ̀rọ̀ ìdáyà. Odupe. Hallelujah. Look at you. You think you're the only ones who know how to do these things? We have been there. I am so happy.
Thank you, Daddy.
I did not even know that both of you had something before. All your father and I, we are trying to do was to get two of you together. That was the bottom line. I didn't know that a breakup had even happened at some point. So, no wonder two of you, we are busy playing Tom and Jerry. We did not know you were fighting love. Oh. Who can fight love? Who can fight love? Let me tell you, love is strong. Stronger than even death itself. Hey, look at your eyes. See the love in your eyes. Look at you. Benny. I am so happy that this has finally come to fruition. See how both of you look good together. You will make a wonderful pair. We saw the signs. We saw the signs. They were there. Really? They were there. Of course. You know what elders see sitting down? You children, what is that your generation? Gen Z? You can never see it, even if you climb the highest Iroko tree. Is there no way? We have received a notification from the ministry.
Really?
Yes. Our performance was excellent.
Wow.
Yes, they praised us for the excellent completion of the project.
Wow, that's good.
And guess what? We have been awarded a bigger contract.
So you, so
No,
you.
it's all you.
You see? And well, we have a perfect team that will execute the contract. My friend and I will happily retire. Yes, we need to rest and enjoy the fruits of our legacy. That is why we made sure that both of you are a perfect team. And the bottom line has happened. Chief is calling. Oh, Remy! Chief the Williams. We are here. I am here with the two lovebirds. Look at them. If you see their eyes, you need to be here so that you will witness what I am witnessing. That is wonderful. So immediately you board, just let me know so that I can pick you or I can send a Bulwatife to come and pick you from the airport. Everything is ready. Everything is ready, my friend. This union deserves to be celebrated. All round. Benny, that is the bottom line, no? That is the bottom line. Okay, have a safe flight, my friend. Hey, your father will soon be here. He will be here today.
Okay.
Bolaji. Bolaji. Wambi. I hope everything is ready.
Yes, sir, but I'm preparing the bakery. The amala is ready.
That is good. That is good. I want it steaming hot. My friend will soon arrive.
Yes,
I don't want any excuses. So, I hope the drinks are chilling.
Yes,
Let me go and change up to something better so that I can receive my friend properly.
All right,
I hope you will do the same. This is time for heavy celebration. Immediately after here, I am taking you out. It is time for enjoyment, though. We have to enjoy. We have only one life to live.
Okay, Dad. Wow.
Your dad is something else.
Yeah. So we have a lot of people rooting for our love.
Mm-hmm. And I kind of see what they see.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I see it too.
You know, there's something amazing about you.
Really?
And I'm glad that I finally found you. Because everything I ever wanted was always right here in front of me. I wish I noticed sooner.
Well, I wish I didn't have to be so hard on you.
Finally, she apologized.
Crazy attraction inside. insane obsession, two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Could this be love or hate? Crazy attraction, insane obsession, two beautiful hearts beating against each other. Oh, oh, could this be love or hate? Beating against each other. Could this be love or hate? It may seem like gold, things might look like ashes, but just a little spark, love blossom again. It may seem like gold, things might look like ashes, but true love never, never, never dies.